Hey everyone, it's Kelly with Confident Finance. If you're starting a side hustle or a small business, you don't necessarily have to create a separate Quicken file. In fact, I track my business right inside my personal file using Quicken Classic, Business, and Personal. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your business this way so you can keep everything organized and still see clear reports for your personal and business finances. So let's jump in. All right, step one, make sure you're using the right Quicken version. First, be sure you're using Quicken Classic, Business, and Personal. That's what allows you to track both personal and business transactions in the same file. If you're not sure, you can check under Help and then scroll down to About Quicken. All right, so step two, create your new business and associated accounts. So from the Business tab, click the drop-down arrow and you're going to select Add Edit Business. And then click the Add button. You're going to enter the details of your new business, including the business name and any other information you'd like to track. So for this video, I'm going to call it My New Business. As soon as you type the business name, Quicken will automatically create a business tag. Quicken can automatically tag business transactions to any business. If this is your first business, then Quicken automatically checks this box. Now make sure you have the correct owner selected. This is important for tax purposes. So under the Business Documents tab, you can attach documents such as your Articles of Incorporation, Operating Agreement, or Business Plan. Click OK and then Done. Your new business has now been added. Next, you're going to set up the accounts that you plan to use for this business. So in the Accounts sidebar, click Add Account. If you'd like additional help adding an account, you can watch the tutorial linked on the screen. So we're going to use an offline account for this video. Choose the type of account that you want to set up, such as a business bank account, credit card, or loan. For this example, I'm going to create an offline checking account, so I'm going to use the same name, My New Business. So when you name the account, use a clear and descriptive title. For example, Business Checking or Business Credit Card. I'm naming this one after my new business. So be sure to select Used for business transactions so Quicken knows to include it in your business reports. And then click Next. If the account already has a balance, you want to enter the amount and adjust the date if necessary. So I'm going to just add an amount here for the video. And then click Next again. Finally, click Finish to complete the setup. And once your account has been added, Quicken will be able to track your transactions. Alright, so step 3 is set up business categories. Now you can use Quicken's built-in business categories, or you can create your own custom categories to suit your specific needs. To create your own categories, you're going to go to Tools, and then look for Category List. You want to select Business Income. Now here you'll see that Quicken already includes default categories for business income. Now you can use these as they are, or you can create subcategories, which is especially helpful if you're tracking multiple businesses or income streams. To create a subcategory, you want to right-click on the category that you want to expand, for example, Other Income, and then select New Subcategory. Okay, so here is where you're going to enter the name of your new subcategory and confirm that it falls under the correct main category. Then next, you're going to click the Tax Reporting tab to ensure this category is linked to tax reporting. Select the appropriate tax line. For business income, you want Schedule C, and then you're going to save. Your new business income category will now appear in the category list. You can set up business expense categories the same way. For example, if you need to track contract labor, create that as a new expense category. Assign it to the correct Schedule C tax line. Now, as you can see, contract labor's already been assigned here. It's already attached to the Schedule C. When you've finished adding categories, go ahead and close the category list window. Make sure all of your business-related categories are clearly marked as business categories so that they show up correctly in your reports and on your tax schedules. All right, on to step 4, record your transactions. As you begin earning income and incurring expenses, remember it's important to record each transaction accurately in your business accounts. So go ahead and click on the business account that you just created to open its register. This is where you're going to enter the transaction details, including the date, the payee, a clear memo if you want, and the amount. Select the appropriate category and then apply the correct business tag to ensure the transaction is properly classified. Once the transaction's cleared your bank or credit card account, be sure to reconcile it so that your records match your financial statements. If you prefer, you can connect your account to online banking to download transactions automatically and categorize them more efficiently. All right, next on to step 5. Run business reports to monitor your growth. So to access your business reports, navigate to Reports and then look for Business. Here you'll find a variety of tools to help you understand your finances, including the balance sheet, cash flow statement, profit and loss statement, and many other detailed reports. These reports provide valuable insights into your business performance, cash flow trends, and overall financial health. I'll be covering each of these reports in more detail in upcoming videos, so you can learn exactly how to interpret them and use them to make informed decisions. And that's it. By adding your business right inside your personal Quicken file, you can manage everything in one place while still keeping your business records clean and separate for taxes and planning. Hey, let me know if you'd like to see detailed videos of any of these business reports in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time here on Confident Finance.